Hello. Unboxing slash review for you. It's been a while since I've taken a look at any kitchen things. This is as you can see, cheese grater and zester. High quality 18/8 stainless steel blade, protective cover. It is from a company called SUPPLIM. SUPPLIM. On Amazon, it is the SUPPLIM Citrus Lemon Zester and Cheese Grater. Parmesan, cheese, lemon, ginger, garlic, nutmeg, chocolate, vegetables, fruits. Razor sharp stainless steel blade with protective cover. Yes, that is the listing name. It's $8.95 on Amazon, Prime shipping, of course, and there's also a coupon for it to save an extra 5%. Well, let's check it out here. That's it. They do include a nice little brush to clean out the blades, which is actually cool. I have one of these, but it didn't come with this. This is it here. If you do anything in the kitchen, you'd know about graters and stuff like that. I used to be a chef a long time ago, and graters are nice to have. It all depends what type you need. Now this is a fine grater, stainless steel. We have a nice. I like the fat handle. It makes it easier to grip. There is also rubber feet on the very, very edge here. So if you're grinding or zesting, whatever you want to call it, grating something, you put it down and it won't slip, which is really nice. The other one I have does not have those on it. And here's the blade cover. Maybe, if I can get it off without slicing my hand open. Alright, let's do that. Okay, don't slide off. But there's the blades. As you can see, they're very sharp. I'm not about to run my hand across them. And if you can see there, they're just slightly lifted up. They're small grooved, so you're going to get a fine, it's great for zesting or cheese grating as well. Again, you have the rubber feet there and the rubber non-slip handle, which makes it easier to grate, and so it's not going to go anywhere. But it's not bad. SUPPLIM, I like it. I'm going to be happy using it, I think. The brush, of course, get down in there to clean the stuff out, which I think is really nice to have, because it is kind of hard to clean. It is rust resistant stainless steel blade. You can put it in a dishwasher or just under running water. Obviously, keep your fingers away with it. Keep your fingers away because it is a blade and it is sharp. It's very sharp, actually. But there's the cover back on. And like so. Nice protective cover on there, sort of, except for that. But that's it. From SUPPLIM, cheese grater, zester. Thanks.